All right, we're here at Richard Bong State Parkway, recreational. Here it comes. Getting ready. Here's our gun. We're gonna do a pheasant. Hopefully we get something. We have no dog, but work on it. Here it comes. Val was talking to the warden, see what happened. Right now, I'm with Val. Here it comes. Ready to rock and roll. A little bit of rainbow. Looks pretty good outside. Walking in the fucking bushes. Yep. There's ugly Val right there.
Look at Ugly Val.
Ugly Freddie G.
Top of the morning.
Here it comes. Huh? Give you a heads up later, boy. We're here right now. Trying to track a flush. A few more, just two. We'll see what happened. Can't find Val. We'll see. Alright. I'll let you know if we get something. Richard Bong recreation area. Nice place. We guys are done. Caught two birds. That's my guy Val. He did a great job. He's my dog. So, pretty good. Not a bad day. We're leaving the Bong. We're back at the van. Richard Bong. And this is Val from Amp.
And that's a pheasant.
We caught pheasant. Obviously two cock, two rooster. Gonna get it better. Alright, on to the next one.